Alright, so we're given a number line here, and it asks us to study the example problem showing a model of multiplying a fraction by a fraction. And then we're going to use this model to solve problems 1 through 7. So we have this number line here, and we have 1/3 done here, 2/3 here, and 3/3 here. And this would be 0/3. So right here we have 1 whole divided into thirds. Next, what it does is it divides each one of those thirds into fourths. And that's shown right here, by these little squares. So we have now divided that third into fourths, which is what multiplying a fraction times a fraction does. I keep pulling that down from the top, don't I? So we have that one, and now we'll pick a unique color over here. That'll work. And I have taken the number line, turned it into a rectangle, and chopped it up as best I can into 12 long pieces. There are 4 long pieces here, 4 long pieces here, and 4 long pieces here. Each one of those long pieces has a value of 1/12. So 4/12 plus 4 more twelfths plus 4 more twelfths is going to be 12/12, or 1 whole. So all of that to answer the question for number 1. Why is the shaded rectangle above the number line in the example divided into 3 parts? And what it's asking us there is, how come that piece underneath all of this had 3 parts? That was 3/4, box it off here, of, and the word of always means multiply, 3/4 of the 1/3 that we started with. So 3/4 times 1/3. So to answer this question, it would be that the numerator is 3, so 3 of them are shaded, and it leaves one unshaded part here, and that's that fourth that considers this basically its own whole. See if I can say that again. If this were 1, then this would be divided into fourths. But it's not. It is not 1 times 1/4. It is 1/3, because that's what we have left. And I'm going to box this off again. 1/3 times 1/4. So we start with a third, and that's the green boxes. And then when we divide each one of those thirds into 4 equal parts, and then we shade 3 of them. So 3 of the 4 parts between 0/3 and 1/3 are shaded. And that is an answer to number 1.